Our first topic is going to be word problems. So here's the question. The Lakers scored a total of 80 points in a game against the Bulls. The Lakers made a total of 37 two-point and three-point shots. How many two-point and three-point shots did the Lakers make each? Step 1. Highlight important information. We know that there were 80 points total, that they shot 37 total baskets, and that it was 2 and 3-point shots. Step 2 is to assign variables to the unknowns. In this case, we'll let y be the number of 2-point shots made and x be the number of 3-point shots made. Step 3. Create a system of functions. In this case, our functions are x plus y equals 37 and 80 equals y times 2 plus x times 3. Step 4. Solve. In this case, the solution was x equals 6 and y equals 31. This means that there were 6 3-point shots and 31 2-point shots. Step 5, which is the last step, is just to check if your answer is correct or not. Our next topic is going to be how to graph a linear equation. Step 1 would be to write down the equation itself, and if it helps, write down the base, which is y equals mx plus b. Step 2 is to find the rise over run and the y-intercept. In this case, m, or 2, represents rise over run, and b, or 5, represents the y-intercept. Our final step is, of course, to graph the line. Now, knowing the rise over run and the y-intercept, you could just start graphing, and as you'll see in the next picture, the rise over run is 2 over 1, and the y-intercept is 5. So the line is positive. Our next topic is, what is a system of equations? Well, a system of equations is a collection of 2 or more equations with the same set of unknowns. In solving a system of equations, we try to find the values for each of the unknowns that will satisfy every equation in the system. The last topic is the difference between a constant, linear, and absolute value function. So the first kind of function is a constant function. This means that x always equals 0 no matter what y is. This means the line is always straight. The next type of function is the linear function. The linear function can be positive or negative, and it has different types of rises over runs, so it's always different. The last kind of function is the absolute value function. Now, this function is sort of like a linear function, except that it is v-shaped instead of just one line.